वेलकम टू लर्निंग ट्यूब ऑनलाइन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम 1 से लेकर 16 जनवरी के इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर डिस्कस करेंगे। आपको इसका पीडीएफ लिंक टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में मिल जाएगा। विच कंट्री हैज इंडक्टेड इंडियन सबमरीन INS सिंधुवीर इनटू इट्स नेवी? ऑप्शन ए म्यांमार। The central government has removed the ban on which product export from 1st January 2021? Option B, onion. Which bank has partnered with RuPay to launch a payment solution in association with Pay Nearby? Option D, RBL Bank. Which state has unveiled its solar power policy 2020? Option C, Gujarat. With which country India exchanged the list of nuclear installation? Option D, Pakistan. Which country is set to join as the 6th member of the Five Eyes Intelligence Network? Option A, Japan. The Thobnal Multi-Purpose Project Thobnal Dam has been inaugurated in which city? Option A, Imphal. Which country has changed a word in its national anthem? Option A, Australia. Who has recently become the richest person in Asia? Option A, Shashan. Which state has launched Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana? Option B, Jharkhand. Which country nuclear power generation breaks the Soviet record? Option B, Russia. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and CEO of Railway Board? Option C, Sunit Sharma. Which country new rule permit drones to fly over people and at night in the country? Option D, USA. Every year the World Braille Day is observed on which date? Option 4th January. Savitribai Phule Jayanti is celebrated on which date? Option C, 3rd January. In the Bloomberg Binaries Index, Mukesh Ambani ranked at which place? Option A, 12th. Global Family Day is celebrated on which day? Option A, 1st January. Which state has created a special memorial to honor the COVID warriors? Option A, Odisha. The 4th Global Ayurveda Festival 2021 will be held in which state? Option A, Kerala. Which state will host the 51st International Film Festival of India? Option D, Goa. The first wooden satellite of the world will be launched by which country in 2023? Option A, Japan. Who has been elected as the president of the All India Chess Federation? Option A, Sanjay Kapoor. The World Day of War Orphans is observed on which date? Option A, 6th January. Who has been appointed as the new British High Commissioner today? Option D, Alexander Ellis. Which social media giant has acquired the podcasting app Breaker? Option C, Twitter. The Union Budget 2021 will be presented on which date? Option B, 1st February 2021. Who has made the largest charitable donation of 2020? Option D, Jeff Bezos. Who has been appointed as the first Deputy General Secretary of IAFF? Option B, Abhishek Yadav. Who has recently become the richest person in the world? Option D, Elon Musk. The Justice R.S. Chauhan sworn in as the CJ of which state? Option B, Uttarakhand HC. What is the length of India's first double stack long haul container train? Option B, 1.5 km. Which state has announced to launch the country's first solar electric RORO service? Option C, Kerala. India worked to conduct S-400 system of which country? Option D, Russia. Recently, ADE has celebrated its which rising day? Option B, 62. The 22nd edition of the SEWay VIGIL 21 exercise is being coordinated by which force? Option A, Navy. Which world leader Twitter account has been permanently suspended? Option A, Donald Trump. Which nation has sought 2 million doses of Covishield vaccine from India? Option C, Brazil. Which nation road safety month 2020 is to be organized on which date? Option C, January 18 to February 17. The US President Donald Trump has declared the emergency in which city? Option C, Washington, D.C. Who is the author of the book titled Making of a General, a Himalayan Eco? Option A, Kosam Himalaya Singh. The Armed Forces Veterans Day is observed on which date? Option C, 14 December. The Tesla has registered in India subsidiary for the electric vehicles. In which city? Option C, Bengaluru. When is the Foundation Day of India Meteorological Department IMD celebrated? Option C, 15 January. When was the Combination Farzan Antarctic Station established? Option C, 1984. RBI has dash deputy generals. Option D, 3. Where was the Available Energy Inverters Meet 2020 held? Option A, New Delhi. Thanks for watching.